What is the cost increase after adding varnish to the UV flatbed printer? Micolorprint Technology, Co., Ltd. The development of flatbed printers in China for more than 10 years can be described as a long-term drive, far ahead of traditional printing methods such as thermal transfer, silkscreen, etc. Not only convenient and trouble-free, but more importantly, there is no need to make plates and films, and the development of flatbed printers in China for more than 10 years can be described as a long-term drive, far ahead of traditional printing methods such as thermal transfer, silkscreen, etc. Not only convenient and trouble-free, but more importantly, there is no need to make plates and films, and the ink is also green and environmentally friendly, and it is more widely used. It can be used in various industries, whether it is the decoration industry, advertising, or handicraft industry, etc. UV printers have gradually penetrated into the hearts of the people over time. Now everyone has a deeper and deeper understanding of UV flatbed printers, and the requirements for machines, it is also getting higher and higher, and now UV printers can print both white ink and varnish. So how much does the recently popular UV printer with direct varnish configuration need to increase? The following Micolorprint editor will analyze it in detail for you. Everyone knows that the Ricoh G5 iPrint Head UV printer has one print head and 4 ink channels. The general configuration is CMYKWG, varnish, 4+4+4 configuration. The imported Ricoh G5 iHead is used. The built-in head is all steel, anti-corrosion, and high precision. Ricoh G5 iHead is a professional industrial production head, which can operate continuously for 24 hours. UV ink is a viscous oil-based ink with a little corrosiveness. Of course, it is completely fine for our Ricoh print heads. But what about varnish? Is it possible to print it out with a head? To print varnishes for products, a separate print head is required. The commonly used head varnish is that the customer needs to print on the material part. For example, by printing a color picture on glass and spraying the picture with varnish, it will be lifelike and look glowing. The overall look of the sample is a lot high-end, which adds a lot of price to the product. Although the product is beautiful, the price will be relatively high. The first is the cost of the machine. At present, the Ricoh G5 iHead is the most effective for printing varnish, which means that the cost of a Ricoh head needs to be increased. Now, the Ricoh G5i is sold for a price is USD 1,000 apiece, and an additional varnish board card is USD 500, so the overall cost increases by about USD 1,500. The cost of adding a special 6090 varnish machine is about USD 6,980 USD 8,880. The effect is better, the speed is faster, and it does not affect the performance of the UV printer. Although it seems that the cost has increased, the sales effect of the same product will be better, so from a long-term perspective, it is still very worthwhile to invest.